Lottery Calculator, how to use TaxAct's Lottery Tax Calculator. The TaxAct Lottery Tax Calculator is a helpful tool designed to estimate the taxes you may owe on lottery winnings. It provides insights into how much of your prize money will be deducted for federal and state taxes, helping you plan your finances effectively. Key features: 1. Tax estimation, calculates the federal tax rate based on your total winnings and tax bracket. Considers state taxes, which vary depending on your location. 2. Lump sum versus annuity, allows you to compare the tax implications of taking your winnings as a lump sum or as annuity payments over time. 3. Progressive tax brackets, accounts for the progressive nature of federal taxes, where portions of your winnings are taxed at different rates. 4. User-friendly interface, simple and intuitive, making it easy for anyone to use, even without prior tax knowledge. How it works: 1. Enter your winnings, input the total amount of your lottery prize. 2. Select your state, specify your state of residence to calculate state taxes accurately. 3. Choose payment option, indicate whether you plan to take a lump sum or annuity payments. 4. View results, the calculator provides an estimate of the taxes owed and the net amount you'll receive. Why use the TaxAct Lottery Tax Calculator? Financial planning, helps you understand how much of your winnings you'll actually take home. Transparency, provides a clear breakdown of federal and state tax deductions. Convenience, saves time by offering quick and accurate estimates. You can explore the calculator and learn more about lottery tax implications on TaxAct's official page, https://blog.taxact.com/lottery-tax-calculator.